This is the Pfaffenhain. I don't know. I know some ABUS models have Pfaffenhain style pins, so I guess this is probably similar to some ABUS model cylinder. This is the Profile ZS40F. Now, I guess maybe that means the type of keyway will be my best guess. I'm not really sure. Got a very paracentric keyway, but you can get your pickup through it because there's holes in the warding. So I've got a few things set here. Click out of one. There's 4, I believe. 6, 5, 4. 3 needs to go up. There we go. Got a little bit of a false set. 1. I think 2 still needs to go up some. Let me check the rest of these real quick. All right, 1. There's 2. Got a lot of counter rotation there up 2. I dropped some things. 3, 4, 5, and there's 6. All right. All right, let's get this thing gutted and see what's in it. I know certain models have Pfaffenhain style pins, but I would be lying if I told you I knew exactly what that meant. I don't know what kind of pins those are. Why won't this come out of there? All right. Lock it back up. All right, let's get this clip off of here. Shim. Probably don't need it, but I don't know exactly what's in here, so I'd rather shim it than brick it. Followers maybe a hair too small. 6 pins. Go ahead and get these drill protection pins out of here. So there's no milling or anything. There's that keyway. Take that shim out, and I used a slightly smaller follower than I probably should have. Well, that's just a standard pin. There's a spool pin, standard. Spool. T-pin. Looks like a barrel T-pin. And another one. I don't know if I've seen those barrel type T-pins like that before, probably, but I'm just not remembering. The plug is stamped with Pfaffenhain. Close up of those pins, spools, standard, and those barrel T-pin type pins. All right, that is Pfaffenhain.